Hi there, I'm Jake from Epic Trader, and I will be your host for this trailer. So, welcome to the channel. It's an undeniable fact that most of us want to live a luxurious life that cannot afford. If you want to change that fact, you came to the right place. If you are interested in trading and you want to be a trader or develop your trading experience, then I will help you through the whole process. Now, I can't promise you instant vast riches, overnight success, trading secrets used only by top bank traders, or any of that mythical stuff. But what I can guarantee is that the information you find on this channel will be honest, realistic, concise, and sometimes unique. I make videos for traders of all levels that look at all different areas of trading, with a variety of videos that include a walkthrough from the beginning, daily assessments, trading strategies, challenges, and a more interesting array of tips for healthy trading, all with the aim to make viewers more informed and better traders. If that sounds like something you would be interested in, then I would love to have you as a member of the Epic Trader community. So click that subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.